Hello there, it's Heide here. Today we got a really simple fix. My son, Mouse, he spent God knows how much on it. Well, it's one of those expensive ones, about 60 or 70 quid. This one has got a thing on the side and also it's got buttons on that side. But the problem is with this one, because Corsair was meant to be good quality, this company, but the problem is after about a couple of months, this one you can see the right hand click works fine. This one doesn't. So if I have to click it, you have to just tap it like that in order for it to work. So there's usually a micro switch on there just to causing that problem. So what we'll do, we'll just replace the micro switch. I haven't seen inside before, so I'm just gonna have a look inside it now just to see what's in there. And if we have the micro switch, we just replace straight away. So as I said, it's really a basic fix. You just need to make sure you open this right. So you can see now there's one screw here, and there's stickers from the looks of it. They can just be peeled off, or maybe a something. Let's just. So yeah. So yeah, you can see there are screws. So this is a screw here, and yeah, looks like we. You could do this, or if it's difficult for you to open this up, you could use a hairdryer. As I said, it shouldn't be hard to fix anyway. Should be straightforward. Right, so I opened this one up. Let's just see. This one has got a Phillips type. Yeah, the problem is kids never listen when it comes to advice about value for money. I think what goes on is in school they compete against each other. So this guy bought this for that price, and the other guy's done the same, and here it goes. So it becomes a competition about who spends the most. So there we go. That's the bugger comes out. Just making sure I don't break it. So here we go. Right, so let's see. That's the left click. The micro switch looks good. It looks like something over here isn't right. So what's happening? Oh dear. Never mind. Don't worry. It's not hard to fix anyway. Right. Okay. There should be another one there. That's fine. Let's fix this one back. It shouldn't be hard. Well, we'll need to read the buttons because I don't know what they are, what they were. We'll just need to assemble the buttons and just close it with this. So we'll just leave it for now until once we're done. We'll put it back, we'll press each one and see what they respond to, and then we'll close it. Or we can just grab an image from the internet which does the same. So anyway, this is good. This looks feels a bit funny. Well, what it looks like, you see when you press, as if the plastic bit is slightly higher than the micro switch itself. So that's why I have to really press harder to get to it. So how do we fix it? It's easy to probably just lift it up. So we'll desolder it a bit and then lift it up slightly, and that should give it the sense, because the micro switch looks good. That's just the position of it. It doesn't make any sense. Right. So right. Okay. That's. Let's take this off. Right, okay. I'll take this one again. I'm recording, Hat. Okay. Bye, Bob. See you soon. Where are you going to?
We're just gonna go shooting Raya.
Huh?
You can come cycling if you want.
No, I'm filming something. I want to finish this off. Right, here we go. That's the bugger. It's out now. So what as I said, what we'll do, we'll lift it slightly. So we'll desolder it there, and just give it that extra lift. It should just work. Just want to make sure it wouldn't cause problems. So now it's actually fixed on the board. Mark, come in. Yeah. Okay. So let's just double check with the continuity test just to see what's in that sensor. Sensor, I think it's fine. There's nothing wrong with the sensor really. I think it's just. Right, it could be the sensor. What was that? What's this? Aha. Yeah. Well, here it's a problem. That's let's just put this under the microscope, and you'll see what I mean in a minute. Okay. I'll explain, and it'll show off quickly here. Yeah, it's quite obvious. So there's the button there. Yep, focus. So there it is, right? You see that? Do you see this? It's actually, the pins are corroded. So see that little salt here? That is literally corrosion. So it looks like some of the soldered pins not really soldered properly. Yeah, see that? So. Right, well that's one thing, but I still like to push it away. So what I'll do, where's my brush gone? Like to clean it first. Yeah, that pin is it's not good. It's corroded. Maybe it's a leftover flux in there, causing this problem. Either way, I'm going to push the sensor slightly up. So we're going to have to desolder it anyway. So that looks clean, or better. Yeah, so that looks now better now. So there we go. Shouldn't be rocket science. Should be really simple to fix. Yeah. Right, let's desolder. I'm just gonna get something first. So the sensor is this one, which is a 3-pin sensor. Just get it to focus a bit. Right, okay, so here we go. So these three pins we need to just take off. First, let's desolder this. Gotta go with 350. Yeah, 350 is good. Waiting for the temperature. So whilst we're at it, let's just get the soldering iron done as well. While we're warming up, yeah, 350 is fine now. Just being on the safe side. Yeah, that's fine. Now, to take the solder off, what we will be doing is I'll just add a little more solder to it, so this way it would melt, and we guarantee. There we go. Kids wanted me to have dinner, so yeah, my son, eldest son, he cooked a really nice steak. Looks like he learned. Let's see what's down here. Is this broken or meant to be? This is a straight line, and this one is a broken straight line. I see, here we go. So how do we fix this one? I can put a... This is all plastic. Why not putting... So in that case, that elevation thing didn't really matter, did it? I don't think it'll make a big difference, so let's just... I hate to say this, let's just take it off. Right, so we'll do push them right in. this up. 400. Need to solder it and then out. So it's not really the should have locked it this way. Don't worry. Be happy. Yeah, good enough. Right. Fantastic. Fantastic. Yeah, it looks like that thing is broken. The plastic part. So we'll make it look good. Yeah, we'll restore it as it is. Or, I've got a really better idea. I'll elevate it still, and then sand this one down. That would make a lot more sense. Yeah, see this, the problem is this lady here. So you see that bump? That's where the mouse button getting caught, and when you click it, there's not enough height to push the button in. So if we sand the whole thing down, it should technically be okay. So sanding it down, it looks like we're going to need just a tip of that. The other side looks fine. It was starting to go wrong anyway, but it's fine, it's good. So let's do it this way. I think it's makes more sense. Yeah. Keep this part up and running. I just want to sand that one down. Now the difference to the other one is that this one has got a slight bump from at the end. Let's just maintain this thing. I'm just going to sand this one down. I think that really clean anyway. Doesn't matter. Yeah, that looks really good now. Yeah, so that looks slightly up. So we're going to elevate this one. Where's it gone? Yeah. We'll elevate it back again. So we'll just push by that much. We'll do just this one, this side only. So we know we've got a nice measurements in here. Yeah, I know the pin is kind of slightly stuck inside, but that's fine. That's good enough indication. So let's also make sure we hold it down. Just to be on the safe side. And here we go. Right, so this has gone in too much. I am fine with that, like this. Yes, that's good here. Don't worry about, it's not going to fall because you're going to hold it from here and there, so that should be fine. This one we just need to make sure, this is our measurement. So, that's perfect. See that? It is perfect. Alright, okay, yeah, so we'll just pull a bit like that. Yeah, I think that makes total sense. So pull this much, and then we'll start. So I'm just going to fill up the iron with some solder. And now we're going to pull. That's enough, we don't want to do too much of that. That's right. Now this one is going to be the fixator. So here, once we do that one, we can come back to this one. Now let's just wait for this to dry out, and now we can do this one. Easy done. Brilliant. Now that looks good. So I think we've got it all sorted the way we want it. So now you see they're it's slightly elevated. Let's just go back. So now I think we're done with the microscope. Let's go back to the other screen. Yeah. Thank you to Mr. Microscope. Now, here you'll see the difference. You see the old one, the right click, is kind of all the way down to the bottom. The left click, see that here, is slightly elevated. Do you see the elevation? Slightly higher than the other one. So the switch is slightly up. And now this should come now to back to life with all the sanding we did here. So see, beautiful, all that. See this? Wonderful. See that? Honestly, it's a really good one. So see, from anywhere you click, it works, and the back one too. So we did a good job with this fix. Now what we'll do is putting it back all together. So yeah. What's the mouse type? Course, I'll just search it quickly. So anyway, we're done with this. And I think we can say thank you to the soldering, desoldering. that's all fine. Brilliant. And now we just need to figure out where the buttons are and assemble them here. Should be easy, shouldn't be hard. So quickly googling Corsair mouse buttons 1, 2, 3, and that's the one. So I found images. Yep, here we go. So looks like the one. So one goes at the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, we go like this. First let's get this one done here to begin with. Yeah, that's how it should be. Okay, so what's the best way to do it? 2. Can we do 2 like this, or it's gonna fall? Actually no, let's just do it this way. So 2. Oh yeah, hang on. That looks fine. So 2. Is that 4 or is that number? I can't read. Has it been wiped off? I'll just do this last. So 8. 8 is next to the 2. Yep. 9 and above 8. Let's do it this way with my good old tweezers. 8, 9. I hope that's not a 6. Looks like a 6 to me. Let's just see if there's any 9 or 6 there. Okay, 1. You only get old, I can't see. That looks like a 6 to me. Slightly less elevated. So 6 should come here. I don't know. It might not be the one, but I think it is. It is fine. So this is. I'm gonna treat it as 6. If I see a 9, I'll do a 9. Leave that one. 3. Push it there. So 1, 2, 3 looks good. 7. 7 goes to bottom here. I just wanted to show you what's happening in here. So on the screen, I've got an image up there with a mouse. You can see there. So I'm just reading it from here and then assembling the buttons down there, as you can see. Yeah, so online. Alright, good. So moving it there or here. Let's just do some cleaning up. Should I clean them up before putting it there? But that's fine. Isopropanol is always good to clean, so I'll do that. I'll clean using ISO. So I think we're back online. Everything restored. And now we're gonna put the mouse back all together. So that's all good. That's all good. That's good. 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 Okay. Good. Now, the last bit is the moment of truth. So let's just double check this one here. Before going all the way. Yeah, look at that. Hear this? Brilliant. It's fixed now. So we'll test it in a minute, but where's the fourth? Screw one. Yeah, perfect. So back to life. The middle section. Good. So now we got the mouse back to life. All that stuff is good. Hope it doesn't slam it as usual. Right, so that looks all fine. The mouse is back to life. Just a little quick test because I haven't got any gaming on my stuff on my system. I'll just quickly connect and see if the buttons, the left and right, work fine. So let's just point it to this PC and then see if the mouse responds here. So right, so yeah, that is brilliant. It's absolutely working fine. Cool. Yeah, so yeah, that's all good. We got it all fixed. Yeah, the last bit to do is putting the stickers back on. And now is a game of where these things go. Looks good. We're all fixed. We're back online, and the mouse looks fantastical. And yeah, so thank you all for watching. Nice to meet you. Heard a lot about you. And let's just close the toolbox up. Looks fine. I connect the mouse to the PC of my son. It's not recording your face, don't worry. So here you go. So how is it? Are the buttons working fine?
Yeah, should be. keypads work as well.
Keypad should work fine,
Yeah, they work.
but check the sensitivity of the left click. How
Yeah,
wasn't
it's very
working
good.
before. Huh?
It's very good. I just tap it.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So all good?
Yeah.
Just don't slam it. Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
Perfect. So
Nice.
that's ciao. See you later. And that's the mouse. Looks like it's fixed nicely. So it looks good. Confirmed by my son. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.